Are you ready? Let's pull some outfits together. I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best looks so they can dress well and feel great. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to dress, I'm going to give you some outfit ideas, and I'm going to show you how to pull it together. Before I made this video, I started thinking about what the steps are that I go through when I create outfits, and how I could break it down to make it much easier for you. For some of you, when you know the steps, it'll be easy for you to put it together. But for others, if you don't have that creative eye, even if you do have a good outfit put together, sometimes you just can't see it. So after you've watched this video, if you're thinking, well, these are great ideas, but I really want to know what is a good outfit, I'd like to have some personal one-on-one attention. So if this is you, I will leave information at the end of this video so you can find out how you can work with me. So let's get started. Every great outfit starts with a base. And a base is a pants and top, skirt and top, jeans and top. So those first two items that you're going to put together. What makes a good base, or what makes it easy to create an outfit from a base, is if the base is neutral. And a neutral that's best for you would be one that suits your skin tone. So it might be beige, it could be gray, it could be black, maybe it's brown. All of these are neutrals. So your base could be one neutral, or maybe it's two neutrals. And what I'm going to demonstrate here, I'm using two neutrals. I'm going to use white and black. Or you could use a color base, like blue pants and a blue top, blue skirt and a blue top. The next step is layering. And when you know how to layer, it can make a world of difference to how your outfits look. Here are a few ways you can layer. So you have your base. You can add a jacket with color. Now this color would be one that matches your skin tone as well, and that goes with your neutrals. The next thing you can add is a belt. A belt really pulls the look together and really makes a difference. So now you have your base, you add a jacket, and now you add a belt. And then you add a pair of shoes that match your belt. They don't have to match your belt, but in this case, I'm going to use a pair that matches the belt. There are different kinds of rules around this as well, but this is what we'll do for right now. What you layer also depends on your look. So will it be for professional? Will it be for casual? So now let's turn this look into a more casual look. And to do that, we will add a jacket. Now this jacket has color, it's faux leather, and it also has a different texture than the base. You can keep the belt you have, or you can change the belt. The thing is, you don't want your belt to clash with the details of the jacket. And for a more casual look, you'll want to change the footwear. So now I've changed the boots and I've added tights. Tights are also considered an accessory because they come in different colors, different textures, and different prints. You can really, if you know how to use tights, you can really make a splash with tights. So the next layer we're going to use is a sweater. Again, you can use a belt to tie this together, and you can change your footwear. This can be made into a professional look, or it can be made into a casual look, depending on your footwear and depending on your accessories. The next thing we can add is a print. The print can be in a jacket, or it can be in a sweater. It can be in a vest. Because you have that neutral base, it's easier to add texture and it's easier to add prints. So now we've added a print, and if you change the footwear, it changes the occasion. So now let's add a blazer, and the blazer could be any print as long as it matches your skin tone. And then you can add a scarf. You can change your belt, you can keep the belt the same, and you can change your footwear. With just the addition of accessories, you can make different changes to this outfit. So you can add belts, you can change your footwear, you can change your handbag. You can make this look even more casual by adding denim. You can also do this with a plain dress, add different accessories, different jackets to make it different, or you could do it with jeans. You could take a pair of jeans with a neutral top and add different jackets, different sweaters, and accessories to make a whole different outfit. So there you have it. Start with a base, add prints, add texture, add accessories, and you can change one outfit into many. And you can also make a plain outfit come alive. It's my intention to give you outfit ideas that you can use. But as I said in the beginning, if you'd like some help, there are several ways I can help you. It depends on where you are and what your needs are. I offer a closet declutter virtual, so I get online with you, help you go through your closet, and help you find the things you need and the things that you don't need. I can do a color analysis virtually where we get together again on Zoom, and through a process I help you discover which colors are best suited for you. I also have a body analysis program where again I help you to find your body shape, determine what your body shape is, and then help you find the styles that suit your body shape. So you can go to my website SheilaAlley.com and you will find more information there about those. And also, if you'd like to put all of these together and would like personalized attention right from your closet to the outfits you choose, I can do that with you as well. If you have any questions, you can email me and I will put my email down in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling. Capsule Wardrobe Dressing Made Easy is a guide that will show you the pieces you need to start a capsule wardrobe and then how to mix and match. If you'd like to learn first how to create a wardrobe capsule and then you'd like to learn how to mix and match, this guide will show you that.